Hey, what's going on, boys? Sean or Mustang09 bringing a new video about the truck, of course. Got to bring you some content with the truck in it. So we're gonna head out there, and I got a big problem. Got a major issue. Let's go take a look at it.
I mean, she still looks great. I love this thing. This thing is awesome. It's diesel. It's bad to the bone. Let's get her unlocked here.
I smile every time I get in this truck. I love this thing. So the problem for the truck lies on the inside. It's just a minor problem. Well, it's really a big problem. It's kind of a big deal. It's a unique situation to me. It's nothing that is like widely spread across these vehicles, and there's a fix coming for it. But I want to show you it because it's kind of unique. So let me get you propped up on the dash, and then I'll show you. Oh, don't fall. Alrighty, now that you guys are in place, I can show you what I'm talking about. Let's just say, for instance, that I want to put something in my center console that I would say is valuable, or something that I don't want stolen, like some money. So let's just throw some money into the center console. What about some more money? So let's throw some more money in the center console. What's something else you would keep in the center console? My iPad. I use this a lot for work, so this is something that I need to keep in here so that it's safe and nobody can take it. Something else, maybe a gun. So let's put that in there. It's a big center console, so we can fit a lot of stuff. I'm thinking maybe like you got a partner riding with you, and maybe he'll put their gun in there too. So we've got another gun. Stick that one in there. It is Texas, so you can never have too many. So let's go ahead and put another gun in the center console. It's just, you know, it's like the wild, wild west out here. You got to be prepared, right? Preparation is key. It's everything. So let's put one more gun in there. Oh, that's a high point. I really don't care if it gets stolen, but for this purpose of the video, we'll stick it in the center console. Now I'm thinking you need something maybe a little bigger, like if S really hits the fan, you know what I'm talking about? It really gets serious, then you're gonna need another gun, but there's no way that's fitting in there. I'll just put that in the back seats. But something that's really near and dear to me, and that I would never want anybody to take or get away with, is this picture of my daughter in the womb of my wife. This is the first picture I have of my baby girl Shirley, and I definitely don't want this going anywhere. So if I were to keep it safe and I was traveling with it, I'd put it in the center console, and then I would lock said center console. So as you can see right now, center console is unlocked. I'm gonna take my key, I'm gonna lock it. Great, center console's locked, right? It's not opening, can't get in it. Okay, I gotta bend down here so you guys can see me. All right, so as you can see, center console's locked. Like I locked it. Here, let me just show you. Unlocked. All the valuables, all the good stuff is in there. Locked, right? It's locked. Can't get in it. But if you do this one little trick and it comes open, you see that? Instant replay. One finger, push. I'm a bad guy, and Sean's not very smart, and he left his truck unlocked. And I'm rustling around in here, and I'm trying to find stuff, and I go like that, and all of a sudden, this comes open, and the old criminal sees all the guns and all the money, but they take my baby's picture. I'm gonna be so angry. Oh! But like I said before, we've got a solution. A new center console door has been ordered, so that will be replaced. And by the time you're seeing this video, don't even try it. I know this video was super silly. I just wanted to bring you guys some more content and show you this kind of weird deal that's going on with my new truck. I've never seen a center console like that. When it's locked, all you have to do is simply push on it sideways and it opens up. The good thing is the guys over at the dealership have a new one ordered, and I'm going in tomorrow to get it replaced. No cost, under factory warranty, so good to go there. I just had to get it on camera before the problem is fixed. So I wanted to show you guys. That's about it, man. I want to thank you guys for showing all the awesome support on my daughter's Power Wheels modifications. I've loved playing with that thing. It's been a blast, and I just want to thank you guys overall. I'm really excited about 2018. Like I've said in my past videos, I just think there's a lot of stuff to come, and we've installed the drive shaft on my car, running into a little bit of an issue, but the install video of that will be up after this, so keep your eyes peeled. And I'm going to be working with a local shop to hopefully find a solution to my problem, and maybe it's not even a problem at all. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted on that. You'll check it out in the next video. But other than that, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. It's been Sean or Mustang09, and we'll catch you back here next time. Take it easy, boys. Now I've got to get all this stuff out of here because I really don't keep that much money in my car ever. There's maybe like a quarter or two, and there's never a gun left in here. And also, real quick, for those gun guys, everything's been cleared. There's no ammo in any of these, but I'll go ahead and show you. And if you ask why I have a high point, that's the first gun I bought when I was 21. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. It's a throwaway gun, but everything's clear. Nothing in any of these. If you're into guns, let me know. Maybe we can do some more gun stuff. I got a buddy with some land. He said we can come out there and shoot. So, as you can tell, everything's been cleared. No ammo in anything. We're safe around these parts, boys. Mustang knows what he's doing. Trigger control, no ammo when you're handling it. We're good to go. Once again, thanks for watching, boys. We'll catch you back here next time. Take it easy.